So now let's take a look at how we can draw the electronic structure for beryllium ion. But of course, before we get the ion, we need to start with the atom. Okay, if we look at the periodic table, this is where beryllium is. Look for the smaller number, which is 4. This means that there's 4 number of protons, and in an atom, number of protons equals number of electrons. So I have 4 electrons that I'm working with. And how do I split these 4 electrons are distributed within the shells, right? Maximum 2 in the first shell, and then the second shell is the remaining 2. Okay, so I see here that if I want to have a fully filled outermost shell, either I can gain 6 electrons or I lose 2. It's easier to lose the 2 electrons, so right, I lose the 2 electrons there, and in losing 2 electrons I actually get a 2 plus charge. Okay, now for beryllium ion, right, in this case, since there's 2 electrons in the first shell, this first shell is actually fully filled, right? So when we talk about the electronic configuration for the ion, we should write it as 2. Now we can go on to actually drawing the ion itself, okay, and you can just do it this way. Okay, 1, 2. Of course, I don't forget that there's a charge. Okay, so it's a 2 plus charge as we have already found out. Okay, finish this off with 2 plus. And this is my electronic configuration and structure.